Inside the hangar, engineers unveil an Overhaul blending ultra-light composites with adaptive Aero surfaces for instant trim. A morphing wing, heat-managed skin, and smart control synchronize thrust vectoring and stall prevention in real time. During a tense test flight, the aircraft narrates its performance as gusts bite and telemetry guides every choice. In a rival challenge, it demonstrates a cooling loop and flutter suppression that keep the airframe steady under pressure. The flight ends with data-rich victories and a promise that bold modifications can redefine speed, safety, and possibility.